Dok, magay ba kayo? Dok, pwede i-post, no?
Sige. Supposedly, on paper, 32 hours. But you know, it's not isolated. You're supposed to be working with other disciplines. Like I mentioned, anthro, focused on forensic path, and the more related forensic medicine in the Philippines. And sabi ko sa inyo, issues in the Philippines, I have a lot of cases. That 1934 legal medicine book by Sister and asked me, so why did you apply here? Basta yung mas mayaman yung 4 years of college, 4 years of medicine, and then internship was the exam. 4 years of pathology, and then another exam. And unfortunately, you cannot find forensic pathology training in the Philippines. So for doctor, sa video na yan?
Hello! So, first session namin with Dr. Toon. Nasaan na si Doc? Nakita...
The class was so
Fun! Na-meet din namin si, Miss at Evangelista.
Yes, the honor of.
Some people need killing.
She's so pretty.
Oo nga, ang ganda niya. Ayan. Ha? Actually, kakatapos lang ng exam namin sa hematology. And then, ngayon yung elective namin, which is forensic pathology. So basically yun, feel ko alam niyo naman na Doc Fortune is one of the only two forensic pathologists in the Philippines. And siya yung pinakauna. Ang swerte namin, nakuha namin ng elective na to. 30 slots lang. Tapos, nakuha namin. And then, ano pa ba? Parang sabi ni Doc, mag-retire na daw siya sa March. So, probably, pwedeng last, na niya to? Last. Ayan. Ay, ito si Doc. Hello, Doc. Magay ba kayo? Doc, pwede i-post, no?
Sige.
Mag-picture kami. Hello! Ay, si Justin. Justin, pwede kami magpa-picture.